Okay, here I'll be showing you how to make some, like, whatever this stuff is called, goo, crap, or whatever it is. I'm showing you that. You need some of this, right here, some of that. You don't need your parents' permission either. Some Elmers glue, and a bowl. And then, now all you gotta do is take the glue, and, oh, this ain't the right glue. What is this? Okay. You gotta put that in there. Now take a whole bunch of this. Whole bunch. Put it in there. You gotta get that stirred up. I'm gonna go ahead and use a toothbrush. It's sticky at first, but if it's still white, you need some more detergent. Then when you're done with that, just take it out. Now you're just gonna play with it. If it's really gooey like that, then you might need some more glue. Then that should be good. You just take your hand and mix that up. Then whenever it's sticky like this, that should be pretty good. In all the other videos, they make this stuff and it looks like it's not sticky at first, but it really is. Like, it's really sticky. But then once you got it like this, it still is really sticky. You just gotta keep, like, it's sticky because your hands are clean. Once you keep throwing it back and forth, it's still really sticky. You just gotta keep messing with it. Throwing it back and forth on your hands. You can tell it's not getting, oh crap. You can tell it's getting not as sticky. See? It's not as sticky. It was like sticking really bad. Now it's not. Oh crap. You just want to keep doing that. And then there you go. You got your dough. But see, if it's still sticky, like it still kind of sticks just a little bit, you just gotta keep like doing this. Don't let it just sit in your hand because it will stick to your hand. You gotta keep going like back and forth with it. Bye.